Tesla just revealed the new affordable Tesla house. Can you believe that the world's richest man lives in a house that costs less than $50,000? Elon Musk is one of the greatest human beings of the current era, but can you believe that Elon lives in a house that costs less than the Tesla his company produces? Perhaps we can learn a few life lessons from the billionaire playboy. Want to know more about it? Then stay tuned in the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Exclusive. And before we start our ride, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any videos on such exciting topics. That being said, let's begin. Elon Musk's lifestyle has had a lot of backlashes. Elon Musk's mansions and houses were frequently discussed in a variety of forums. Apart from that, Elon Musk has stated several times that he prefers to live a simple life. But that was difficult to believe because of all the houses and mansions that the billionaire owned previously. To everyone's amazement, billionaire Elon Musk came forward and sold all of his mansions and residences. He also bought a home for less than $50,000. Many people's mouths were silenced as a result of these major moves. So, who built this house? And why did he choose this house? Boxable, a Las Vegas-based construction business, created Elon Musk's new home. This firm is in charge of developing little homes that aim to reduce the carbon footprint that construction often involves. According to reports, Elon Musk's house costs roughly around $49,500 to build. It is a 375 square foot casita. Can you imagine living in a house that can be built in a matter of days? That will be amazing, isn't it? Small homes have recently gained a lot of attention as an alternative to huge homes, which frequently result in more carbon emissions. Apart from that, these small houses may be easily lifted and moved to a new location. Boxable stated in November 2020 that it has built a casita in Boca Chica, Texas, for a top-secret customer. This customer turned out to be none other than Elon Musk. The house has a bedroom, a living room, and a kitchen in the house. This is an incredible piece of innovation from the company. What happened to Elon's other mansions and houses? Before moving into this tiny house, Elon made certain that he had sold all of his other assets. I'm curious how much Elon has made from the sale of these properties. Millions, maybe billions. So what are the contents of this teeny tiny house? According to Boxable's official website, the little boxed casita features a full-sized kitchen with a fridge, sink, oven, dishwasher, and microwave cabinets. The 375 square foot residence also has a bathroom with a water tub, a backlit mirror, and many other interesting features. The home includes a great room with 9-foot 6-inch ceilings and 8 massive doors. The home also includes a heating and cooling system. Can you imagine being able to build a house in 1 hour? Well, this house can be built in 1 hour. The house would be ready for occupancy 1 hour following delivery, according to the company. The house will be sent to you in a large, which will be unpacked to reveal a little-sized house with all of the necessary features. Why did this trend of prefab houses start? Prefab or prefabricated houses are the houses that are built in factories and are generally smaller in size. This revolution has happened as the cost of purchasing a home in major cities has increased massively. Property in Los Angeles would cost around $880,000 on average. This led to a demand for houses that are more affordable to the people. However, there is an insufficient area to build new residences, so the alternative approach was to create houses that were smaller and more economical while yet meeting all of the basic needs of a family. This is the primary reason for the company's phenomenal success. The company also revealed that over 47,000 consumers have pre-booked this house and are waiting for their time to enter these houses. According to the firm, these orders are valued at more than $1 billion. They say that this is a revolutionary method of building homes at a far lower cost than standard ones. According to the company's CEO, there will be a high demand for these types of houses in the future as more people seek inexpensive housing. What are people's thoughts on this product? According to a recent interview with the CEO, the product has been well received. He expressed surprise when Elon Musk acknowledged the product. He stated that he was astounded by the reactions that followed Elon Musk's public announcement of the product. Are these houses as durable as ordinary buildings? If this is the question on your mind, then the answer is yes. In reality, modern prefab buildings can be stronger and more durable than traditional houses. According to research, prefab houses are always more durable than traditional homes. Why does Boxable have an advantage over others? According to the CEO, the firm has an advantage since it was able to overcome the most significant issue that these types of prefab homes present. That is, the shipping issue. Because the home can be folded into a 20-foot by 20-foot box, transporting and shipping it is significantly easier. A pickup truck may be used to transport this. However, the company predicts that the shipment from its headquarters in Las Vegas would cost between $2 to $10 per mile. The business also intends to export it overseas if buyers are ready to pay for the shipping costs. It is predicted that the construction of this house will take around 7 months. So, if you are a customer who wants to import the home to your country, you will have to wait for more than 7 months after booking it. The firm has stated that it intends to develop larger prefab homes shortly. This is done to please a wider spectrum of clients. Will Elon Musk and the company not take advantage of such profitable business models? Elon Musk, according to reports, is already interested in the project. According to reports and leaks, Tesla may be looking at a similar concept of houses. After all, it's business and everyone wants a piece of the pie. I mean, if I had the opportunity to be a part of the future and make money, I would not pass it up. According to recent rumors, the mansion built for Elon is unoccupied, and the billionaire does not live there. Elon Musk responded on Twitter to clarify that he does not live in the $50,000 Boxable home. On Twitter, he remarked, "Not Boxable." Elon said that he has been living in a $50,000 house, but that is not Boxable, while the company stated otherwise in their blog post. The blog post said that Elon Musk's tiny house is a Boxable casita. With Elon's confirmation, some are beginning to think that Tesla is working on its own Boxable. I mean, he most certainly can. After all, whatever Elon Musk touches becomes a goldmine, and people will pay top dollar for it. Elon Musk's housing status has sparked a lot of speculation on social media. After relocating from California to Texas, he announced in October that Tesla will also relocate its headquarters from Palo Alto, California, to Austin, Texas. He then placed his last Silicon Valley property for sale. With the sale of his final residence, Elon Musk will become the first billionaire who does not own any costly homes or mansions. While Elon may not be living in such a small 375 square foot home, many others want to. This is mostly due to the housing crisis and the ever-increasing prices of residences throughout the world. With the costs of houses skyrocketing, an increasing number of such startups will emerge. Governments all across the world will soon urge people to live in prefab houses in order to reduce carbon emissions. In the near future, the prefab will become the new normal. Do you wish to build your own prefabricated house? Comment and tell us, what do you think about these prefab houses? Do you believe they can replace the traditional houses? That's it for this video. If you enjoy it, please leave a like and comment on what kind of content you'd want to see in the future. Plus, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update of any video from Elon Musk exclusive, as we bring all the new things happening around. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.